This story is about the Little Leaf Fairy, Chapter 1, where we meet Lily and her magical journey in the forest. Once upon a time, in a quiet forest, there lived a little fairy named Lily. She was not an ordinary fairy. Lily was the leaf fairy, and her job was to care for the trees and leaves in the forest. Every morning, she woke up early to greet the trees and check if their leaves were healthy and strong. Lily had golden wings that shone like the sun. Her hair was long and brown, and she always wore a white dress tied with a simple brown ribbon. On her head, she had small flowers and branches, which made her look like part of the forest. Wherever Lily flew, the leaves would follow her, twirling and dancing in the air. One day, as Lily was flying through the forest, she noticed something strange. The leaves were falling from the trees too soon. It wasn't autumn yet, but the ground was covered in yellow leaves. Lily knew she had to do something quickly. She landed on a soft bed of leaves and spoke to the trees. "What's happening? Why are your leaves falling so early?" she asked. One of the oldest trees replied, "The wind has been too strong this season. It is shaking our branches, and our leaves cannot hold on any longer." Lily thought for a moment and said, "Don't worry, I will help you." She flew to the top of the tallest tree in the forest and called upon her magic. With a wave of her hand, a gentle breeze began to blow. It was not too strong, but just enough to make the trees sway slowly. The leaves stopped falling, and the trees stood tall and proud again. From that day on, Lily visited the forest every morning to make sure the wind stayed calm and gentle. The leaves grew stronger, and the forest remained green and full of life. The other fairies admired Lily for her hard work and kindness. They said, "You are the best leaf fairy we have ever known." Lily smiled and said, "I only do what the forest needs. Every leaf is important, just like every one of us." And so Lily continued her work, flying through the forest, helping the leaves grow and making sure the trees were always happy.